Hello, this is a short video to update everyone about the new changes. We've done a previous video on the students switching to skilled worker route. This video is on the EU changes. There are two significant changes to the EU rules. The Secretary of State has stated in the current statement of changes and the explanatory statement that some EU nationals and their family members who are in the UK will receive automatic 2-year extension to their 5-year pre-settled status. Again, she has stated that those on pre-settled status will get automatic settlement without an application being made. This is significant because of the case that went to court last year, where the EU monitoring group challenged the Secretary of State's error of law in relation to implementation of the withdrawal agreement. The other significant case is a case of 𝘍𝘢𝘬𝘳, which is a High Court case, which again confirms that parents who arrive to join their EU family members do not have to show dependency if they made the application before 30th of June 2021 and are currently in the UK. So even if the application was refused, but then they were successful at an appeal, they will not have to show dependency because prior to 30th of June 2021, parental dependency was deemed and they didn't have to show. The other significant update which we wish to bring to your knowledge is the discussions we had a couple of months ago about people in the construction industry being placed under the shortage occupation route. And these are plasterers, tilers, roofers, masons, carpenters, joiners, and construction industry not otherwise defined. They all now come under the shortage occupation, which means is that the application process will be shorter and they will pay a lower fee to join their employers in the UK. Again, you may be able to bring people from outside to come and work here. The only requirement that you must show is that they have the English language at level B1, which is in the 4 modules of speaking, listening, writing, and reading. And finally, you all know that the Prime Minister has indicated that fees will be going up. It's very likely to go up in the autumn budget. But just to remind everyone that the Home Office now has a strategy of springing surprises on everyone. And I would suggest that if you are at all worried about fees, then this is the time for you to make the application. Everyone will be aware that those who cannot afford the fees will be entitled to make an application under the fee waiver scheme. We will prepare another video on how to make the fee waiver scheme after this announcement. The IHS will be going up from 630 to 1,031 for a year, which means that for a family of 2, the application fee potentially will be over £6,000. And we will advise everyone who is making an application for limited leave to remain or a child who is making a British citizenship application is to consider whether they will qualify under the fee waiver scheme. These are the latest updates that we want to bring to you. Should we have any more updates, we will bring it to you as soon as we can.